Yep.
Does that mean? What does that mean?
Okay, the normal. All right, so the tangent to a curve is basically some line that shares the same gradient as the curve. Got it? So if you've
Yeah.
got some curve, you've got some curve, yep. The tangent at that point of contact would be whatever the gradient of, or whatever the derivative of that curve would be at that specific point. It gives you the gradient of the curve at that point. So that's called a tangent, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. A normal is the line that is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the normal is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact.
Yeah. So for that, you would just find the gradient of the tangent and then the negative reciprocal would be,
Yep.
you know, the
Yep.
okay.
Beautiful. That's exactly what you do. Where is it? That one there?
Yes.
All right. Now, the T formula, this involves the T formula. Now, the T formula is used specifically where it would be impractical to use trigonometry. And what it allows us to do is use algebra instead of trig ratios to solve equations. So tan theta over 2 is equal to t. And the way this works is, let's say you've got a plate. Does that make sense? So, right. Okay, now, if tan is equal to theta on 2, right? What you'll find is that sine, cos, and tan have their own specific formula, right? So sine theta, I think it's going to be 2 over 1 minus t squared theta. Is it 1 minus? No, no, no. I think that's it. 1 plus t squared. Okay, cool. And then the other one, cos theta, is equal to 1 minus t squared, right? Over 1 plus t squared. Got it? And then the last one is 2t over 1 minus t squared. Got it? Right, so that's where we're coming from. So sine theta, we've already got something for sine theta. For cos 2 theta, we're going to use the compound angle for cos. So what you should get is sine theta plus, and then the compound angle for cos should be, what is it? Sine squared theta minus cos squared theta. I think that's what you'll find cos 2 theta becomes. All right, so just trust me on that one. That's what it becomes. Okay. All right. So this is the double angle formula for cos. Now, sine theta is equal to 2t over 1 plus t squared plus, and this one here is sine squared theta is 2t squared over 1 plus t squared, right? And then you've got minus 1 minus t squared um, all squared. Got it?
Yeah.
Because that's that one there. Now, when you do that, what happens is you get 1 plus t all brackets squared. Oh no, sorry, not one, not brackets. Sorry, this should be 1 plus t squared. Okay, good. So you should be getting 2t plus hang on, 1 plus t squared all squared. That's what I should be getting. That makes sense. All right. So t that becomes 4t squared minus, and then this becomes 1 minus 4, sorry, 4. 2t squared plus t to the power of 4, right? Just to kind of work this out. Now, that is going to be 4t squared. That's going to be 4t squared. That's going to be 2t squared. So that's something like 10t squared. So it's 4t squared plus 4t squared minus 1 plus 2t squared minus t4 all over 1 plus t squared all squared. Are you okay with what I'm doing? Are you following? Yep. All right. So now, in this situation, you got 4 plus 4 plus 2, which is 10t squared. You've got minus t to the power of 4, and you've got minus 1 all over 1 plus t squared all squared. Got it? And then we've got to try and figure out some simplified way of expressing this. Two t over 1 plus t squared I think that's as simple as we can get things, I think. Is that what the back says?
Back of says t to the power of 4 plus 2t cubed minus 6t squared
Okay.
plus t plus 1.
Okay, hold on. Two t plus 1 plus t squared. Oh, is this cos squared minus sine squared, or is it sine squared minus cos squared? For the double angle formula.
Yeah, it's cos squared x minus sine.
Oh, okay. So these, that's probably why, because this is basically wrong. So that should be a plus. That should be a minus. cos squared x minus sine squared x. Yep. So that's going to cancel with that. Yep. Leading to that. All right, cool. So none of that. Whoa. So hang on, sorry. I don't think I can undo that function. So hang on, sorry. So it's sine theta plus cosine 2 theta, yep? Alright, cool. So it ends up being sine theta plus, so it's cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Alright, cool. And sine theta equals to 2t on 1 plus t squared. Cosine theta is equal to 1 minus t squared on 1 plus t squared. Tan theta is equal to 2t on 1 minus t squared. Okay, cool. Let's have a look. So you got 2t on 1 plus t squared plus what you get, 1 plus t squared, all on 1 minus t squared, all squared, minus 1 plus t squared, all squared, 2t, all squared. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So, now, let's multiply this by 1 plus t squared and the top by 1 plus t squared. So we've got 2t, 1 plus t squared, all over 1 plus t squared, all squared, plus 1 minus t squared, all squared, all on 1 plus t squared, all squared, minus so that ends up being 2t plus 2t cubed plus 1 minus t to the power of 2t to the power of 2 plus t to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of t squared all over 1 plus t squared all squared. Now, here's what's going to happen.
I think the answer leaves it like that.
Oh, this is the answer? Okay, so the answer should be, if that's the case,
Oh yeah.
it should be t to the power of 4. Yep. Plus 2t cubed, right? And that becomes minus 6t squared. Yep. Plus 2t. Is that right?
Yep.
Plus 1. All on 1 plus t squared, all squared. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.